Here we have the current stock market update for AMC Entertainment Holdings Incorporated, stock ticker AMC. Before we begin with today's chart analysis, if you find these educational materials to be helpful, please remember to click the like and subscribe buttons and leave your thoughts below in the comment section so that other traders can find this information more easily on the platform. So what we're looking at here is the 1 hour time frame. Each candle on this price chart represents a 1 hour trading period. And as we can see here, if we sort of move in a bit, we can see that the stock is starting to show evidence of moving higher. We have seen some price gains here, and it looks like we will probably need to revise some of these price levels as well. So currently this near-term high comes in at $4.50. So this is a marginal gain from this prior high that we were watching previously. That was essentially this price high here, which came in at 482. And, it's not much of a difference here. And I think that people are probably not, maybe overly excited about that alone. But, in my opinion, what you're really looking for in a situation like this is evidence that a bottom is forming. That's much more important in my view than, what the price levels are or anything like that, because if you really are starting to develop an uptrend at this point, that would be more significant than, whether or not the share price moved a bit higher or something like that. Like what you want to see here is a sustainable base. So at the moment, I would say that what we're seeing here is the development of a short-term uptrend. Is it hugely positive? Possibly not. But what we can see here is that, this 450 level breaks above that prior 442 level, and then that 442 level broke above this prior 425 level, which is no longer marked on this chart. I can possibly put that in here. Okay, so we'll put that level in here. So, what we're looking for at the moment here, is sort of this retest of this prior 450 resistance level, which came in a bit previously. So this would have occurred during the October 4 trading session, so just earlier this month. So we have seen this level before, and the last time it happened, we did see a fairly significant movement downward. This is when we ultimately developed that price low coming in at $4.03. So, there are questions about what how far this can actually continue from here. This has been slow going overall. We have to admit that. And then, this longer term price movement here, the majority of that momentum, is focused on the downside. However, when we look at the indicator reading, the signs are a bit better. What we're starting to see here is the development of share price momentum in a couple of different directions here. So that would be a few different time frames where we can see development of positive momentum within the indicator reading itself. So that might not be readily apparent in the share price, but there are situations also where AMC or any stock or any asset can be governed by the indicator reading, and then that momentum reading can turn out to be more substantial or powerful than the momentum that's actually being seen in the share price action itself. So this isn't necessarily a guarantee that will be the case here, but it is encouraging that we're starting to see some higher lows and higher highs, even if it's just incremental and on a short-term basis. And then in addition to that, you do also have this formation of some positive momentum that is starting to become apparent on this indicator reading. And this indicator reading is for the hourly time frame. So that is very important because it's a closely watched time frame. So, will this continue? I mean, that definitely remains to be seen. There is a huge amount of, wood to chop, so to speak. I mean, there is a lot of upside here that really does need to be recovered before we can reasonably expect, rallies to start happening or anything like that. At the moment, I'm also not necessarily, willing to say that pressure is being taken off of the downside. And one reason that I say that is because we really haven't seen a price close above this 200-hour exponential moving average. So if we just sort of move in here, we can see that this recent price spike, did break through some resistance levels, but there was a forceful rejection. That's why there's a long wick on this candle. So, and this is ultimately a red candle as well. So this is where the price high comes from. And this is an hourly candle here. This is where that price high comes from. But at the same time, it is still a red candle. The share price did close lower than it did than where it started. So it is actually a red formation here. Ultimately, what I would want to see if I was long the stock would be for share prices to at least close above this level. Because if that were to occur, then you would get an hourly close above this 200-hour exponential moving average, and then you can start to suggest, in a more meaningful way that that there is actually some positive momentum that's emerging in share prices. We can see it in the indicator reading. We can also see that we are seeing a series of higher highs and higher lows. But you can get a bit more confirmation here if the stock is able to close above this 200-hour exponential moving average. So in my view, this is actually a very critical price movement, even though it's only a couple of cents. I mean, it might not seem significant for the share price, but it is significant in terms of the price structure and as far as the chart analysis reading is concerned. So a lot of people disregard this stuff. A lot of people disregard the chart analysis, but what you're looking for here is that is evidence that a bottom has formed. That's much more important than 10 or 15 cents price movement in any direction. What you want to see is a price structure that is showing that further upside is possible. You're starting to see that at the moment. There is some of this developing, but we do have to keep in mind that if we just sort of move out to the longer term view here, and this is still the hourly time frame, it is still a bit small in terms of the overall picture here, in terms of the overall structure. So, these are positives, but, it's a bit guarded still. I mean, we're not out of the woods yet. There's a lot of resistance to the top side that does still need to be overcome before you can really start to have a bullish outlook. So just to close out the video here, we will sort of compare this recent price movement to where we've been in the past. So specifically what I would want to point to here, is the possibility that, could share prices really be finding some support right around this prior kind of lower $4 area? Because if we remember here, what actually happened when share prices retested those areas in the past, we did see some fairly forceful price movements. This is a move from $4.32. It sent share prices all the way to $5.75. And in percentage terms, that's a very significant price move. An even more significant price move occurred sort of at the end of May when share prices moved into $4.10 and then moved all the way to $6. So that's a price move of almost 50% in 1 week. So obviously we're not seeing that at this point. But the real question here for me is whether or not this downside price movement below those areas into $4.03 was evidence of a significant price decline, or whether or not, or whether the stock will actually be able to form a base in this area and start to move higher, like it possibly did in the past. So here's the current market update for AMC Entertainment Holdings, stock ticker AMC. Our high value trading strategies membership is currently available for a limited time for only $9.99 per month. These high conviction investment strategies are characterized by superior risk to reward metrics that target massive market beating returns over time. Join now to outperform the market, lock in this special introductory rate of just $9.99 per month for the entire lifetime of your membership, and start trading stocks with the pros.